breast asymmetry is a very common problem. Today I'm going to address the solutions of this problem. Now what happens, breast asymmetry can be because of an underdevelopment of one side of the breast or an overdevelopment of the other side of the breast. The causes may be genetic, some hormonal problem, some body wall problem like Poland syndrome, or some surgery or trauma in the childhood on one side of the breast. That may lead to asymmetry of the breast. Now when there is asymmetry of the breast, now we have to examine what is the problem. Now is that patient suffering from a smaller size of breast on one side, or one side is normal, the other is large, and we address it accordingly. Now the most common is one side of the breast is underdeveloped, the other is normal. How do we address that now? There are a lot of options for the treatment of the underdeveloped breast. The most common is use of silicone gel implants, that is breast implants, to increase the size. The other is fat grafting. We use our own body fat to improve and enhance the shape of the other breast. Now, there are a lot of variations. There may be an asymmetry in the nipple. There may be other side breast which is ptotic. That means it is hanging, it is not normal. So we have to address that problem also. So what we do is, we might increase the size of that particular smaller breast with the help of either implant or augmentation. We can change the size of the areola, we can change the position of the nipple, and we can adjust the other breast according to the newly formed breast so that it looks symmetric. So I'll show you all this in a case study which we have done of asymmetric breast. Now to address other problems, that is like there may be a problem in the curvature of the spine or something else, then it has to be treated differently. But the most common thing to change the shape of the breast is either with the help of a silicone gel implant or with the help of a fat grafting. If you have any queries regarding breast change and symmetry, you can DM us on our Insta and we'll help to solve your queries.